Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I am participating of another open challenge. I will talk to you about that a little later, but now let's begin with project number 1. I was about to throw this little container out, but I thought about this challenge and I said, I could make something pretty with this. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to be taking these stickers out of here because we are not going to be needing that. And using a little bit of heat, not too much, because remember, this is plastic and we don't want to damage the container. And this little side up here, it was so rough to take it out that I had to sand it away. Now that all of those labels were out of there, I'm going to go ahead and wash it, put it to the side. In the meantime, I am going to come in with this baking soda and I'm also going to be mixing it with this eggnog brown to give it a thick consistency. And now is a time to apply it to the jar. I'm going to be giving it one coat, allowing it to dry in between, and then I'll come in with a second coat. And now for the second coat. After the second coat is applied, I'll put it to the side so it can dry. And now I'm going to be making a little stand for the container. And I'll be using some of these Jenga blocks. Now this is how it looks so far. I'm going to come in with the same mixture and I am going to be giving it one coat. Once this is done, I'll put it to the side so it could dry. And now I'm going to come back with this piece. And it looks like this because of that baking soda. But no worries, because I am giving it one coat with white chalk paint. And I'm going to heavily distress it. This is going to come out so beautiful. And I'm really liking the texture. And once this is completely dry, I'm going to come in with this twisted craft paper and I'll be placing it right here on the top of this container. This is going to turn out really nice. Once this is done, then I'll place it right on top of the base that we just created. And this is it. Please let me know in the comments section your thoughts. Today's challenge, hosted by David Owen, he invited us to transform our trash into cash. He is so talented and he has so many ideas. Please make sure to visit his channel. Make sure to subscribe, share, and like. We also have a playlist down below in our description box. Make sure to visit them, subscribe, share, and like. And now let's go ahead and move to our second project. I have this bottle that I literally found at the trash and I thought it was so beautiful. And I'm like, this is a good trash into cash. So let's go ahead and remove these labels. I'm applying some heat just to make it easy for that label to come out because it's pretty stuck in there. Once all the labels are removed, I'll come in with a little bit of alcohol just to clean it. And then I will proceed with these little wood rings from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to cut this one into half. And with plenty of hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and glue it to either side of the bottle. And with this bottle, I'm just going to go ahead and give it one coat with white chalk paint. Actually, I'm going to give it two coats. Once the bottle is completely dry, then I'll come in with some brown acrylic paint and I'll be distressing the entire bottle. Then I'll come in with this same twisted craft paper. I'm going to be gluing it to the top of the bottle. I usually call it the neck of the bottle. Leave me in the comment section what you call this, but that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be wrapping it all the way into the top. And this is it, my dear friends, for the second project. Please let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. If this is the first time that you are stopping by, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. And now for the final reveal. Moving along with project number 3 and final project. I have this little mason jar and this is from Prego sauce. We are going to go ahead and recycle it. We're going to make this trash into treasure. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be placing 4 of these leaves in front of the jar. Once the leaves are put in place, I'm coming in with some white chalk paint and I'll be giving it one thick coat. I'm going to be taking this jute cord and I am going to be placing it right here with some hot glue. and I'm going to do it all the way into the top. I kindly want to remind you about the playlist, which you can find in the description box below. We invest a lot of time and effort creating this video to provide inspiration and quality content for your enjoyment. Your presence in our video brings us immense joy. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking our content to support the growth of our channel and become a valuable part of our online family. And once I'm done placing this jute cord right here, then I'm going to go ahead and proceed to take out those leaves. This gold marker from Dollar Tree, I'm going to go ahead and trace all of the leaves just to make it look nice and finished. And guys, this is it for this final project. Please let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. And once again, if you have not subscribed, I am hoping that you consider subscribing. And with this, I'm just going to add a tea light and some white leaves on top. And this is it for this beautiful project. And now for the final reveal.